Albury's Scots School has turned 150 years old. Past and present students came together to celebrate the anniversary of the boarding school, which is one of the oldest in regional New South Wales.
Put him in now.
Few schools in New South Wales have celebrated their sesquicentennial. Scots first started as Albury Grammar back in 1866 with fewer than 20 students. It was the first independent boys' school in the Albury area.
It is not hard to understand why this course has been instituted.
A lot has changed in that time, from the subject to the students. In 1972, Albury Grammar merged with Woodstock Presbyterian Girls' School to become the co-educational Scots School. Its long history means many current boarders have grandparents who went to the school. 83-year-old Noel Stevens, who started his school at Albury Grammar in 1944, returned today to celebrate the milestone.
Yes, it's a great feeling to see it still prospering and doing well, and I hope it will well into the future.
Last year, students and teachers celebrated the school's best academic year in 3 decades. The school's ranked 74th in the state, and Principal Peggy May says it's their culture and community which allow students to succeed.
I have many friends who are principals who have come to many events, particularly this year in our 150th year, and they're going, you cannot get that sense of community in a city school.
The celebrations will continue with a commemorative dinner tonight. Bridget Rollison, Prime 7 News.